Okay, what am I doing? I changed the heads on my Magnum 360, and I got this beer barrel intake here that always seems to leak. While I was here, I opened up the runners to the heads. They're really small. Not anymore. Yeah, and bam. There you go. Oil everywhere. It's just what you want in your intake manifold. Not. I hear those things there, you can grind them down a couple inches or something, make them more of a top end piece, but for what I'm doing, I'm not doing shit with that. What happened with this gasket exactly anyways? Looks like that side was fine. Just didn't work. Plain and simple. Well, there's a problem right there and there. Yeah, delaminated. Velcro. Piece of shit. Steel core. And for those wondering what gasket I used, well, I don't know either. That's right. I used these ones. That's what I use on my Magnum heads. Quite a bit bigger than the stock one. This piece of shit right here. It's a lot taller. By about this amount here you can't see on camera apparently, and a little wider too. That's all I got for now.